Good morning, standard 10 students. So, in last class in physics, I explained you the kinetic energy, potential energy, derivations of both, plus the relation between the kinetic energy and potential energy. It after that, it is given in the book conversion of energy. So nothing you have to study in detail in this topic. The question is coming every year. One name will be given. I have to write how the energy change. Like, take an example, glowing a bulb. To glowing a bulb, it is light energy. No, sorry, glowing a bulb, when we switch on, bulb will glow. Now, this electric energy will convert into light and heat energy. This much type of question is coming. Burning candle. When candle burn, what energy, which energy change in which energy, that you have to write. Hey, the burning of candle, the chemical energy changes into heat and light. That you have to write. So this type of topic you have to study. For this, nothing you have to study in detail. Hey, you learn the topic. Hey, and what is this is the infinite one. Right? You know the heat energy. What is heat energy? Energy released on burning of coal, oils, wood or gas in a heat energy. Right? Nuclear energy. The energy released due to loss of in mass during the process of nuclear fission, and fusion is nuclear energy. So this type of question is not coming. What is nuclear energy? What is electrical energy? The question is coming generally which energy takes place in which energy. For this, dynamo, name is given, dynamo. Now we have to write which energy in which energy change it. So we have to write dynamo since it is machine. Mechanical energy changes into electrical energy. When we write the motor, how the motor energy change? Electrical energy changes into mechanical energy. This you have to write. Similarly, electric iron, how the energy change? In electric iron, electric energy changes into heat energy. Thermocouple or thermocouple, how energy change? Heat energy changes into electrical energy. Yes, sir. Then loudspeaker, how the energy change? Loudspeaker, electric energy changes into sound energy. Microphone, how the energy changes? Sound energy into electrical energy. Charging of battery, right? How the energy change? Electrical energy into chemical energy. Cell in use, when cell in use, which energy change in which energy? The chemical energy change into electrical energy. Lighted candle, chemical energy change into light energy. Sun, how we light? Light energy change into light energy change into chemical energy. Photosynthesis, that is known as the photosynthesis. Lighted electric bulb, electric energy change into light energy. Photocell, light energy change into electric energy. This type of questions you have to write the only change of form of energy, right? And sound energy, what is sound energy? Vibration body possesses the sound energy, right? Magnetic energy, what is magnetic energy? The energy possessed by a magnet due to which it can attract iron filling is called magnetic energy. Mechanical energy, energy possessed of a body due to its state of rest or motion is called mechanical energy. Right? Electrical, what is electrical energy? When two dry bodies are rubbed together, they get charged due to movement of free electrons from one body to other body, so they possess electrical energy. So only in this topic the question will come to change the name will be given, right? Electric iron name will be given. You have to write how the electric energy changes. So you have to write in electrical iron the electric energy changes into heat energy. That's what you have to write. Right? So and Work energy theorem, this is not in the syllabus. One numerical is also there in your exercise. Don't solve that question numericals because it is based on the work energy theorem. Then given forms of kinetic energy. So forms of kinetic energy, there are three forms of kinetic energy. Translational kinetic energy, as I explained you the first chapter. Translation means a body moving in a straight path. The motion of a body in a straight line path is called translational motion, and the kinetic energy of the body due to the motion in a straight line is called translational kinetic energy. Rotational kinetic energy, if a body rotates about in axis, the motion is called rotational motion, and the kinetic energy of the body due to rotational motion is called rotational kinetic energy. Right? Vibrational kinetic energy, if a body moves to and fro about the mean position, it is called, the motion is called vibrational motion. The kinetic energy of the body due to its vibrational motion is called the vibrational kinetic energy. These are the types of kinetic energy. Then I have already explained you what is nuclear energy, what is heat energy, what is like that. These things you have to keep in mind. But the question is coming, name will be given, there you have to write which energy changing which energy. Like microphone, how the microphone change. See here, I am giving reading here to one of our heat energy to electrical energy. How it change? In a thermocouple, when two junctions of two different metals. This is the explanation it given. But you need not to give the explanation. You need not to explain it. Simply you have to write the change of form of energy. Hey, sound energy to electrical energy. Hey, so microphone convert the sound energy into electrical energy. So how the question will come? It will be microphone. Only microphone will be written. You have to write how the energy change. So you will write in microphone sound energy converted into electrical energy. This much you have to write. Nothing detail you have to study here. Only for the knowledge. Once you read it, you will come to know what is sound energy, what is chemical energy, what is mechanical energy, right? What is magnetic energy, what is mechanical energy. This type of energy you have to keep in mind. But question will come directly. The name of the given, you have to write how which energy change in which form. In photoelectric cell, how its energy change? Name is photoelectric cell. The light energy gets converted into electrical energy. This much you have to write. Now after that, numerical is one of the most important part of this exercise, which you have to change by using the formula of kinetic energy and potential energy. You know the potential energy is equal to mass into gravity into height, and kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So now see one question. Suppose given this type of question, how will solve? Need not to learn. You derive it mathematically, then write the answers. What? How is the kinetic energy of the moving part affected? How is the kinetic energy of the moving part affected? First, mass is double. Second case, velocity reduced to 1/3 of initial. This type of process, concentrate this type of process. How the kinetic energy affected? When the mass is double. Need not to learn how it is affected. You derive it mathematically. And velocity reduced, second question, velocity reduced to 1/3 of the initial velocity. Okay, see this. We know that K is equal to half mv square. This is the formula. Now here given mass is double, right here. half. Mass is double. In place of it, write 2a. Double means 2a. V square. Cancel. What happened? mv square. Kinetic energy become double or not? यहाँ हाफ है और यहाँ कितना हो गया है mv square मतलब डबल. So what answer you will write? When mass is double, kinetic energy also double. It is not half, it is mv square means double. Same way for the second part. K is equal to half mv square. Is there a formula? Now velocity is reduced to 1/3 of the initial. V become v by 3. We will put the value half m v by 3 square. Replace. That is half m v square by 9. 8. Now see here. K is equal to, take out 9 outside and inside the bracket write the kinetic energy formula. Take out 9 to 1 by 9, then half mv square is left. 8. Now 1 by 9 and this is K. See here. What happened? When velocity is 1/3, the kinetic energy reduced to 1 by 9. Mathematically it is coming. It was K first half mv square. Now it is half mv square by 9. So K reduced to 9. This way you can write the answer. Don't learn it. Find out the mathematically what is the value. Thank you very much.